What if I told you the world's most inefficient asset class is hiding some of its greatest opportunities? While Wall Street chases crowded trades and razor-thin margins, there's an asset that most investors overlook entirely. An asset that's tangible, finite, and, when combined with the right expertise, transformational. Land, but not just any land. The land market is fundamentally inefficient. Unlike stocks or bonds, there's no centralized exchange, no real-time pricing, no algorithm tracking every transaction. Most investors lack the local knowledge, relationships, or operational expertise to identify truly undervalued opportunities. They see raw land and move on. But that inefficiency? That's exactly where alpha lives. Land Value Alpha Fund invests in undervalued land with water rights in tertiary markets across the Northwest and West, Montana, Idaho, Washington, places where others aren't looking, but where exceptional value is waiting to be unlocked. We don't speculate on land appreciation. We create value through systematic hands-on transformation, infrastructure development, water rights creation and monetization, natural resource optimization, land entitlement strategies. We turn raw land into premium assets by maximizing each property's highest and best use. And we do it with a disciplined, risk-managed approach, taking zero construction or mining exposure. This isn't theory. Our fund manager brings over 25 years of proven real estate expertise. His capabilities include building roads in remote locations, installing power systems, drilling water wells, preparing sites from the ground up. The result? A track record delivering 30% annualized returns through strategic infrastructure development. Let me share a real example. In 2023, we identified a 148.5-acre unzoned mountain property just outside Kalispell, Montana, recently ranked as America's fastest-growing microcity. At 5,192 feet elevation with panoramic views stretching 65 miles into Glacier National Park, this property had unlimited development potential. Through disciplined execution, we transformed this raw mountain land into 6 premium home sites with engineered roads, electrical service, and complete water systems. $500,000 in strategic improvements, boundary adjustments negotiated, access control secured. This is institutional quality land investment methodology in action. And then there's water. As Char Miller, Director of Environmental Analysis at Pomona College, puts it, land tied to water is the most profitable investment you could possibly make. In the West, water isn't just valuable, it's increasingly scarce and increasingly essential. We don't just acquire land with water rights. We create them, optimize them, and monetize them strategically. While climate patterns shift and populations grow, water rights represent a long-term value driver that most land investors completely miss. Our strategy is built on 4 pillars. First, we leverage deep local market knowledge and relationships to identify opportunities before they hit the broader market. Second, we apply hands-on infrastructure expertise to systematically increase asset value, not through speculation, but through operational excellence. Third, we maintain strict risk management. No construction risk, no mining exposure. We focus on land and infrastructure development where we can control outcomes. And fourth, we target scalable opportunities across Northwest tertiary markets with an active pipeline ready to deploy capital. We're targeting a 6.2x equity multiple return on capital, a 20% compound annual growth rate, and a 20% internal rate of return net to investors. These aren't aspirational numbers. They're built on a proven methodology that's delivered results. The minimum investment is $100,000, positioning this fund for sophisticated family offices and high net worth individuals who understand that true alpha comes from going where others won't and seeing value where others can't. Land Value Alpha Fund isn't about following the crowd. It's about systematic value creation in the world's most inefficient asset class. It's about combining deep expertise with disciplined execution. turning overlooked properties in tertiary markets into premium assets. It's about capturing the long-term value of water rights while others debate their importance. Stable returns, proven strategy, no construction or mining risk. While everyone else is looking at the same opportunities in the same places, we're building wealth acre by acre, improvement by improvement. In a world obsessed with digital assets and algorithmic trading, we're quietly generating 30% returns from the ground up. The smart money isn't always in the spotlight. Sometimes it's on a mountainside in Montana, in water rights that Wall Street doesn't understand, in tertiary markets where relationships still matter more than algorithms. The question isn't whether there's alpha in land. The question is, are you positioned to capture it? Land Value Alpha Fund, where land meets value, where value meets returns.